What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a little POV drive in the El Camino. It's a cold day out here today. All right, I got my funky head mount on. Y'all would laugh if y'all saw it. Let's see. The only thing you'll probably hear today is it has a leak at the collector on both sides, actually. It's where the weld is. I'm going to get somebody to weld that up, but that's what the exhaust leak is. It's not a gasket. You can hear it down there. RPM, still cold. I'll let it warm up here for a little bit and then we'll take it down the street. We got the B&M Star shifter down here. A very good sounding H-pop with some Flowmaster knockoff mufflers. It actually sounds really good if you can look past the exhaust leak. Think we might have ran out of gas. Actually, the battery came disconnected. Luckily, it's in the back here. I was wondering why it died on me. Piece of junk cars, I tell you. I'm addicted to them. Thought I might have run out of gas because gas gauge doesn't work, but looks like we'll live to fight another day in this piece of junk. guys, I hope y'all like that little POV drive. The heater's nice and warm in this thing. I got the heat fixed. It's nice on these cool days.